All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to hook up your PS5 controller to your Android phone via Bluetooth. Doesn't work for Xbox because they use a weird Wi-Fi thing. I don't know how it works. It's witchcraft. So the first thing we need to do is let's get your phone ready to actually pair the device. And that means, A, making sure Bluetooth is turned on at the top, and then pull your notifications all the way down and click on the little gear in order to access your system settings. From there, we need to go to connected devices, and then that's where we're going to set up and connect our Bluetooth device. Next up, we need to get our PS5 controller ready, which means in the event that it's still talking to your PS5 or whatever else, you need to grab a paper clip or like a pin. There's a little hole on the back there next to this little speaker hole up here, this one there. We're going to press a paper clip in there for a count of like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to reset this so it's not trying to talk to anything else. And then we're going to hit the share button, this one here, and the PlayStation button at the same time until the light around the edge starts to flash like that. From there, we're going to go back onto the phone, and at the top we're going to select Pair New Device. And then once it detects your PlayStation controller, it should just say wireless controller. It's not quite like other controllers where it says its name. You just give it a press on your phone, and then it should ask you if you want to pair it. You say yes, pair that device, and then it should be connected at the top of your phone. From there, you're pretty much good to go. If you've got a game or an app or whatever on your phone that supports a controller, you can now use it and enjoy. Otherwise, if you need to remove the device from your phone for whatever reason, just find it at the top of the list, at the very top under Other Devices, give it a press, and then you can either forget the device, which makes your phone pretend like it's never seen it before in its life, or you can just click to disconnect, and then you can just tap the device in the list to connect to it later. I'm going to go ahead and click Forget, so I don't bog it down with a bunch of extra devices. I'm going to tell it to forget the device, and now it's removed from my phone. So that's how you connect, and also how you remove your PS5 controller from your Android phone. It should also work for similar devices like iOS devices. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.